Hello parents, did you know finger exercises can help kids to do better in school? Today I'll show you some fun finger gym activities that boost their skills and confidence. So let's get started. So start doing along with me. So I want to tell you something about something amazing called finger gym exercises and how they can really help kids to do better in so many ways. These exercises are fantastic for improving fine motor skills. These are the skills kids use to do precise tasks with their hands like drawing, writing, and even playing with toys. When they practice things like threading beads or playing with Play Doh, they are making most tiny muscles in their hands stronger and more coordinated. This is super important because it helps them get better at holding a pencil and writing neatly, which is a big deal in school. Another awesome benefit is that these exercises improve hand-eye coordination. This means kids get better at coordinating what they see with what their hands are doing. It's crucial for activities like playing sports, building with blocks, and even playing musical instruments. These exercises can help kids concentrate better. When they are focused on threading a needle or manipulating small objects, they are actually practicing paying attention, which can help them concentrate better in class. These exercises also prepare kids for everyday tasks that require dexterity. Simple things like buttoning a shirt, tying shoelaces, or using utensils become much more easier when kids regularly practice these finger gym exercises. It gives them a sense of independence and confidence because they can do more things on their own. And it's not just about the physical skills. Doing these activities can be a fun and relaxing break from other tasks. When kids are playing and working with their hands, it can help reduce stress and make them feel happier. This positive emotional state can make a big difference in how they approach learning and interacting with others. These exercises also significantly improve sensory development. When kids play with different textures like slime, sand, or sensory bins filled with various objects, they learn to process sensory information better. This can help them become more aware of their surroundings and react appropriately to different sensory inputs, which is super important for their overall development. These exercises also enhance bilateral coordination. This means they help kids learn to use both sides of their body together efficiently. Activities like clapping games, playing catch, or even just rolling and pinching Play-Doh with both hands can make a huge difference. This skill is essential not only for sports but also for daily tasks like tying shoelaces or cutting with scissors. Another big benefit is the improvement in fine motor planning and sequencing. When kids engage in activities that require multiple steps like building with Lego or following patterns with beads, they learn to plan and execute sequence of actions. This ability to think ahead and follow through is crucial for tasks in school and in everyday life. And let's not forget about the impact on academic performance. Kids who have strong fine motor skills often do better in school. For example, their handwriting improves, which makes them written work clear and more organized. This can lead to better grades and less frustration with writing assignment. One more benefit is increased independence. When kids develop better hand skills, they become more capable of handling tasks by themselves. They can dress themselves, open their lunchbox, and manage their personal hygiene more easily. This boosts their confidence and makes them more self-sufficient. Another great aspect is that these exercises can help with visual motor integration. This is the ability to coordinate visual information with motor output. It's crucial for tasks like reading, where kids need to track lines of text or copying notes from a board. Better visual motor integration can lead to improved reading skills and overall academic performance. These exercises can also promote creativity and self-expression. Activities like finger painting or playing with clay allows kids to express their ideas and emotions in a tactile and visual way. This can be particularly beneficial for kids who might find it challenging to express themselves through words alone. These exercises not only helps with daily tasks but also with physical activities and sports. Kids who have good hand-eye coordination and dexterity are often more confident and capable in physical education classes and playground activities. Incorporating these exercises into kids' daily routines isn't just beneficial, it's fun and engaging too. They are not only developing important skills but also enjoying themselves while they do it. This makes learning and growth feel like play, which is the best way for kids to develop. So, by making finger gym exercises a regular part of their activities, kids can improve their fine motor skills, sensory processing, coordination, and even their academic performance. It's a fantastic way to help them do better in many aspects of their lives. So, if you like this video, please leave a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your engagement really supports the channel, and thank you for watching.